Maybe if I never call, it'll just fix itself. I don't see a thermostat. So, let's see if it's in here. No? This solid ice. It's not frost. I can't even see if there's a solenoid valve or not. Let me get the hot water hose.
2 hours later.
All the ice is gone. There's some of it. So here's the wiring. We got 240 volts comes in right here to power the fans. This is where the solenoid valve is supposed to be. Come over to the other side. No solenoid valve. Wire just taped up. No thermostat. So, what's supposed to turn this thing off? This is the condensing unit right here. So its only means of controlling itself is that pressure switch, and it's set for pump down. Well, that'll explain why it never shut off. I think that's a dead animal down there. So this thing needs a solenoid valve installed in it. A thermostat. At the very least, it needs some kind of temperature control. This thing doing it. Heard that saying, not my pig, not my farm? Disgusting. That'll work.
3 days later.
Oh, chicken dick, why did you send a butt home, pig?